Did you know? If you change your name but don't publish it in the Gazette, in many cases it's not legally valid. Whether it's a spelling correction, full name change, or even correction of your father's or mother's name. Today, I'll show you the complete process step by step. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to correct their name in Aadhaar, PAN, passport, or school certificates. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're from Assam and planning to change or correct your name legally, this video is a complete guide for you. Make sure to watch till the end. I'll also share some mistakes that can delay your Gazette publication. What is Assam Gazette? The Assam Gazette is the official government publication issued by the Government of Assam. It is published by the Directorate of Printing and Stationery, Assam Government Press. Any legal change like name change, correction, religion change, or other official notifications becomes valid only after it is published in the Gazette. Simple words, it is proof that your new name is officially recognized by the government. Part 2. Types of cases. There are mainly two types of cases. 1. Name change. Example, Rahul Das to Raj Kalita. 2. Name correction. Example, Ritul to Rituraj. Also, you can apply for father-mother name correction. Part 3. Documents required. Now let's talk about the most important part, documents required. For name change, affidavit before Judicial Magistrate, JMFC, passport size photograph, identity proof, Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, newspaper advertisement, one government-approved daily newspaper, application letter to Assam Gazette, public notice. For name correction, affidavit mentioning correction details, original document proof where name is wrong, correct document proof like Aadhaar, HSLC certificate, birth certificate, etc., application letter, public notice, newspaper advertisement, one government-approved daily newspaper. Important tip. Make sure all your documents are consistent. Even a small mismatch can delay your application. For example, if your father's or mother's name is different in any document, you must clearly mention the correct details in your affidavit. Otherwise, your application may get rejected. Now I'll explain the complete process step by step. If you want to change or correct your name, the first step is affidavit. For a complete name change, you must make the affidavit before a judicial magistrate first class. Your affidavit must include old name, new name, reason for change. If your name is wrong in documents like share certificates, insurance policies, land records, then you also need a magistrate affidavit. But for minor spelling corrections in Aadhaar, PAN, passport or school documents like Raz to Raj, a notarized affidavit is enough. Step 2. Newspaper advertisement. Next, publish your name change in a newspaper. Your newspaper advertisement must include your old name, new name, relation like son of, daughter of, or wife of, your full residential address, and also the affidavit details such as date and place, otherwise your application can be rejected. Now prepare your application. Address it to the publisher, Assam Gazette, Bamunimaidan, Guwahati. Write your request clearly and attach all documents in proper order, because even a small mistake here can delay your approval. Step 4. Submit to Government Press. Submit your documents to the Assam Government Press, Gazette Office. Wait for publication. It usually takes around 21 to 28 days depending on workload. After that, your name will be officially published. Part 5. Common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes you must avoid. Wrong affidavit format, mismatch in documents, missing newspaper ad, incorrect application format. These mistakes can delay your process by weeks. Part 6. Pro tips. Always double-check spellings. Use same name format in all documents. Keep extra copies. Follow proper Gazette format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you need help with your Assam Gazette application, feel free to comment below. I'll guide you personally. Comment Gazette and I'll send you the correct application format.